Hello everyone. Once again, I am Asad Hussain Khan with a new chapter, Chapter 4 Agriculture. You must have seen farmers working in agriculture field. You would have seen them plowing the field, sowing the seeds, irrigating the land, fertilizing the crops, pesticiding and harvesting the crops. This all process is known as agriculture. Rearing of animal also come in agriculture. Agriculture is the art and science of growing crops and rearing the animals. Forestry, horticulture, fishing, sericulture and poultry also come in agriculture. Agriculture provide food to all the world. Wheat, rice, pulses, millets, etc. we get from agriculture field. Milk, meat, wool, skin we get from livestock. These things we get from animals. Agriculture is also important for the industries because it provides raw material to industries. For example, pulp for paper industry, sugarcane for sugar industry, cotton for cotton textile industry. 2/3 of the population of the country is engaged in agriculture activities. Now, types of farming. Farming is practiced in various ways across the world. It is depend upon the geographical conditions, demand of produce, availability of labor and technology. Farming can be classified into two main types. These are subsistence farming and commercial farming. Now, subsistence farming. In this type of farming, crops are grown mainly for the consumption by the farmer himself. It is this type of crops is grown only for the consumption of local community. In this farming, small fields are cultivated with the help of family members. Subsistence farming further classified into intensive subsistence and primitive subsistence. Intensive subsistence farming refers to maximum use of minimum land. In this type of farming, crops are grown on small fields with the help of simple tools and human labors. Simple tools and human labors are used in this type of farming. Crops are grown more than once on the same field. This type of farming is practiced in dense populated area, especially in monsoon countries like India, China, Bangladesh, Japan, etc. Mostly food crops like rice, maize, pulses and oil seeds are grown. Now, primitive subsistence farming. It includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Shifting cultivation is the most primitive type of agriculture. It is practiced by the tribal people who live in tropical forests of South America, Africa and parts of Southeast Asian countries. In this type of farming, people clear the forest by cutting and burning the trees before cultivating the land. The ash provides manure to the crops. It is also known as slash and burn cultivation. Crops like maize, yams and cassava are grown. After 1 or 2 years, once the soil loses its fertility, they shift to another pieces of land. So it is also called shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation is known as jhuming in India, ladang in Indonesia, milpa in Mexico, roca in Brazil and rei in Vietnam. Nomadic herding. Nomadic herding is practiced in the arid and semi-arid regions. Arid and semi-arid regions It means the region, the area which receive very less rainfall. These are Sahara, Central Asia, and some part of India like Jammu and Kashmir and Rajasthan. People move from one place to another place in search of pastures and water supply. They known they are known as nomads. The animals which are commonly reared are sheep, goats, camels, and yak. These animals are reared for their milk, meat, wool, and hides. Now, commercial farming. In this type of farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in market. It is practiced on large fields and most of the farming activities are done by machines. Commercial farming can be classified into three types: commercial grain farming, mixed farming, and plantation farming. In commercial grain farming, crops are grown for commercial purpose. Wheat and maize are common commercial crops. This type of farming is done in temperate grassland of North America, Europe, and Asia. Prairies, the temperate grassland of North America, is called weed basket of the world. Now in mixed farming, cultivation of crops and rearing of animals is done on the same field. Cultivation of crops and rearing of animals, it is done on the same field. This type of farming is practiced in Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. Next, plantation farming. Plantation farming is also a commercial type of farming. It is both capital intensive and labor intensive. It means it requires more capital and more labors. The farm produce is processed in factories which are located near the plantation. Means of transport play a vital role in the development of the plantation. Tea, coffee, rubber, banana, and sugarcane are the plantation crops. Some other major crops are there. We grow a large variety of crops to meet the growing needs of the population. Some of them are, we can categorize in the food crops. Food crops like rice, wheat, maize, and millets. Beverage crops like tea and coffee. Fiber crops like cotton and jute, and industrial crops like rubber, tobacco, sugarcane, cotton, etc. Food crops. Rice. Rice is the most important staple food crop of tropical and subtropical regions and a major food crop of the world. It is a kharif crop which requires a high temperature of above 25 degrees Celsius and a rainfall of more than 100 centimeter. It is grown in alluvial soil with a top clay layer that allows standing water. The leading producer of rice in the world in China, India, Japan, Sri Lanka, and Egypt. In India, leading states are West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, etc. Now wheat. Wheat is the second most important food crop next to rice. It is a rabi crop in the temperate regions. Wheat requires moderate temperature of 10 to 15 degrees Celsius and rainfall of about 50 to 75 centimeters during the growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. It requires a well-drained loamy soil for its growth. Wheat is also grown in the temperate grassland of USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine and Australia. In India, it is grown in winter season. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar and Rajasthan are the major wheat producing states. Now millets. The millets are known as coarse grain, as they can be grown in the areas of less fertile soil with low rainfall. They grow in areas of high to moderate temperature. Jowar, bajra and ragi are grown in India. Maize. Maize is known as corn, which is both a feed and a food crop as well. It requires moderate temperature and rainfall. It grows best in well-drained fertile soil. Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are the major producing states. Now at last, key point in this chapter you learn that agriculture is the art and science of cultivating the soil, growing crops and raising livestock. There are two types of farming: subsistence farming and commercial farming. Subsistence farming is done to meet the requirements of the local community, while the main purpose of commercial farming is to sell the produce in the market. Tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are the commercial as well as plantation crops. Rice, wheat, millets, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oilseeds, cotton and jute, etc. are the major crops grown in India. Rice is the major food crop of the world. Our country is the second largest producer of the world after China. Wheat is the second most important cereal crop. There are two important wheat growing zones in the country: the Ganga Satluj plains in the northwest and black soil region of the Deccan. Thank you.